Welcome back to Resource Rundown. Today's experiment, asking two AI chatbots to act as a professional image consultant. The prompt reads, "Act like a professional image consultant. I am a wife, mother, and entrepreneur. I wish to improve my brand. Please interview me, and then advise me on what I should and should not do online." Again, we hand the AI a role, share context, and request an interview before any advice. First, Google Gemini. Gemini opens a brand discovery interview with 5 questions: your core mission, your target audience, your current digital footprint, how much personal life you want blended into your professional brand, and your comfort level online. Question 4 is the standout. As a wife, mother, and entrepreneur, do you prefer a firm boundary between personal and professional, or do you want to weave your family story into your brand? That question alone is worth a consulting session. Now the same prompt in Claude. Claude structures its interview around your roles, your business and ideal client, your current platforms, your definition of improving your brand, and your audience today versus the audience you wish you had. It offers concrete options: more visibility, more credibility, more sales, a more cohesive look, or better engagement. Claude also reminds you to take your time, because honest answers produce sharper advice. Both chatbots understood the assignment, and both asked the kind of questions a paid brand strategist would. The differences show in tone. Gemini reads like a formal consultant, Claude reads like a thoughtful coach. Here is how to use this in real life. Answer the interview honestly, ask for a do and do not list for your specific platforms, and request a 30-day action plan. Keep private details private. The AI needs your goals, never your personal identifiers. This works whether you run a business, hunt for a job, or manage a ministry or nonprofit presence. Try the prompt with your own roles filled in and see what the interview reveals. Like this video, subscribe to Resource Rundown, and comment with the AI consultant role you want us to test next.